I can drive in this country because this can left this I feel by myself this can left hand driving, Mamma Mia. But I see cars from the UK and Germany. I don't know whether they drive. I think they drive here, but I see their cars from. I see the plate numbers. They used to come.
So you're not from here?
You know.
No, I'm used to it, to be honest.
Because maybe you have been going to France. It's not the first time. But somebody's first time is not easy to.
No, it's been actually a long time ago. Last time I was in France about 7 years ago.
Okay.
So it's just here.
The main thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
Maybe if I drive.
I switched very quickly. I don't know why.
Maybe if I drive here, maybe if I drive for some times, I'll be able to.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
See, you know, it's just automatically your brain
Exactly.
fix the problem.
Yeah. Sometimes even to cross the road, you are confused.
Oh, yeah.
You don't know where. Should I look here? If you look here, you are thinking, okay, it's there.
Yeah, that's even worse than the driving. Crossing the road, yeah, I don't blame you.
You see how the man is friendly. UK people are friendly than our people there.
Well, like, the conversation is nothing here.
I'm telling you, the people are so friendly. They can just. It's not like that with us
I think we
in
don't
Germany.
reach you.
Yeah, we are there. That's the station, I think, right? Yeah.
Now here we do. Not be.
Now here, no, is it not here? We have passed.
Not be this one.
Are you sure?
You're looking for a station. There is another station.
Don't know why it's raining today, but that is it.
Well, I was in France for 3 days. It was sunny, very nice weather. But
Yeah.
as soon as I came back to Dubai,
But it was only sunny. Also sunny here last 3 days.
really?
Yeah, it was so sunny.
See?
Yeah, it just yesterday and today the weather changed,
Most of days are rainy.
and it's getting darker here soon.
Oh.
Faster than France and Germany.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah. I hope it's the train station. Are you sure?
Inshallah.
Why
But
too?
if you are going to south, I'll take you there. It's
Okay.
just 1 minute.
I hope I didn't take the wrong place.
Tell your CEO to leave me alone.
Guys,
My cup. She's asking me where I'm coming.
guys, Coco, carry cup. Carry.
What is
You
this?
carry mug. You carry mug. The waka for road. You don't finish me, oh. Ewo.
You guys should tell your CEO to leave me alone. I don't wanna.
Hey, Johnny, just come.
Ah.
Never see, come
You
see.
don't see anything. Now
Coco,
I go carry comfort again.
you are disgracing me, oh. You carry cup the waka for
And
her.
fufu I go carry
You
again.
go carry food.
Tell me you said like I don't wear leggings. Don't be like this person wear like this. You said like I don't wear leggings.
The train station they are in England, they are not like that in Germany. Like you have to pay your distance. You see, it's somehow complicated in this place. Ali Baba said Ali Bades in London.
My camera captured him. I'm going to expose him.
Let me hold. She said she's going to expose him. Let me hold my phone back to back. I'm not there. Oh. Let me hold my phone like never before.
We must take care of our things, you know.
Yeah. They no catch the thief. Oh. The thief escape.
Right in front of us.
the thief just pass in front of us. Come and see speed. Now wow. We are waiting for your favorite Jezebel concubine. Guys, let me tell you the truth. We're waiting for Janet Harris. We're going to surprise you guys. That is simple surprise.
also on the way.
Yvonne. Hey, hey, all of them, oh, they are coming for us. Back to back, back to back. Don't they laugh, oh. Don't give back. I don't laugh when they think never. I don't laugh. Concubine Jezebel. Concubine Jezebel. Concubine. And she's finer than, and she's finer than, very young than this. Thank you, man, guys. Come to her.
Is it?
Yeah.
I used to look at you as the tallest.
Really? But she is on a little bit. Yummy, yummy. How far? You have seen me. It will shock you.
It will shock them. I've seen.
Yeah.
Sorry, do you live around here?
No. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm from South East Land. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Let's buy ticket.
go.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Concubine. Shock them. My camera is super.
Not nice. Do you know why they are not nice? Mara is like that. He's a quiet person, a small boy. He was respecting me. But actually, it might be they did something. The time I was sick, you know, he was talking about everyone going there becoming sick. You know the honey, I got the honey, but I was hiding.
Yummy, can I even say something to you? Do you know that when I did first,
You are cute.
It was misunderstanding.
Yeah.
I was not attacking you.
wasn't
I was
even
saying
me.
that they were using you. But
yeah.
I think you thought that we were saying
No,
that
I
you
did
became
not
sick.
listen. I was in the hospital. It was who said to me they are talking about you.
That you were sick.
Come on.
Yeah. You don't know how happy I am to see my Jezebel.
You didn't fight with her because
I didn't fight. I always love Yomi. That's the truth. I always tell Coco Mama, Coco Mama, you don't know how I love that woman, Yomi Kitchen.
Whitey Street. Whitey
will tell
Street.
me, I love Yummy Kitchen.
Whitey Street is a joke.
It's a joke. If you take it serious, you are on your own. Lambroska, London, you go.
Whitey Street is a joke. London is. You know the tingo.
You know how the thing goes.
You know it all.
You know go film.
This is our train.
Wow. You see London train. You can sit down here.
Yeah.
Let's sit down in one side and be doing. This is my best. Coco Mama hold for me.
This is Kenya Bucks.
Yeah. She wanted to give me this and you see the things that I love so much.
You share one.
Yeah.
Wow, how making this?
No, she bought it in
I
Kenya.
got it from Kenya. I was telling her, give me the address, I'll send it to you.
Thank you so much.
Those things are good for you guys.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Anyway, we would look when we sit down somewhere.
Yeah, we are going to get hands.
See your brothers.
Look for us a beautiful house, posh, with security.
Exactly.
Then we come there, no, we don't need to bother anybody.
We don't need to come to
Then
Baba Marwa
if
house.
you want to become a bodyguard, apply in advance. And borrow Marwa's gun.
You know, yesterday, I saw like some people were suspecting it. We said that we are bringing one of your favorite reactors. They say it's Yomi Kitchen or it's Joyce's.
Joyce is living something far. Not in London.
Where is she living?
I might be outside London. I don't think she is. We are reactors.
We are not hiding. We are not hiding. We are reactors.
Guys,
We
I've
say
met
it.
all
Look at how
these beautiful queens. They
Yomi
are
Kitchen
so
is looking.
cute.
Look at how Yomi
They
Kitchen
are
is
so
looking
cute.
beautiful. No, but you know Yomi Kitchen, you are looking real life more
Is
beautiful.
it?
True. Am I lying? True.
So cute.
You're looking more than that
Is
camera.
it like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
Of course,
See,
CEO is your biggest
Guys,
fan.
they are all beautiful.
no, if I don't watch
You
Yomi
never
Kitchen, I know
got
they
time,
sleep.
yeah? That time, you guys, you were helping what? Me, I was backing.
I don't know why I love this young kitchen. Back to back.
She came there secret. She said, Auntie Annie, something. I'm thinking, oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Even that time.
And someone, I think, deleted. It was
That
there.
time I would react, but she would never react if you don't.
Yeah. I know.
She would never respond. But I would respond and Yomi would come
But
and
me, I just denied her. I was coming back, comment on my channel.
and then Coco Mama would say, is it Yomi Kitchen that is abusing me?
Yeah.
you are Yomi Kitchen channel.
I was telling her coming and talk for black people. My channel. Are you Coco Mama? Are you black
So they say,
Oh my goodness, guys, YT is a joke.
it's a joke, you can see. It's a joke.
YT is a joke.
Yomi
Freaking
Kitchen,
joke.
have you ever known that you will ever sit with us?
No, but them, they thought it's not gonna happen. But
The
me,
world-
I knew it.
The world is a small place,
Yeah.
you see.
If you come to
YT
London,
is a joke.
YT is a joke.
Exactly.
When you sit down there and think that nothing can happen,
Then
everything
you are a
is possible,
joker.
Then you are jokers.
Well, we
you
know-
take that
Coco Mama is serious
serious.
now.
Coco Mama is quiet.
Jezebel,
Coco
come
Mama is
to
a
my-
quiet one.
She's quiet, right? Very
Yeah.
true. They don't know
Yeah.
that it was yesterday.
You said in one of your years, but I'm a nice person, I'm a quiet person.
Coco Mama, Coco Mama is so
felt
quiet. I'm
so
the one that I'm
bad.
so,
Yeah.
I'm so like this. Coco
Yeah.
Mama is very
And
quiet.
me, I talk too much.
Yeah, me too. I talk too much. You see, yesterday
I don't
we-
talk too much, but I talk rubbish.
you don't talk.
No, you don't.
No, you don't talk rubbish.
You don't talk rubbish.
Yesterday we make video, me and Coco Mama,
Yeah.
and people were like, "Oh, Black Beauty TV is stopping Coco Mama." It's not, but she was the one telling me, "Please talk."
Yeah.
You see, she's not talking.
Some people sometimes they cannot talk.
Yeah, she's not a talkative outside.
Yeah.
But you see me, how are they saga them? That's why they outside.
We chat maybe 4 hours.
Yeah.
I'll be home, I'll be in bed. Black Beauty will call me. I'll bath, fall in the bathroom. I'll be going to work, I'll reach. Arrive at work, Black Beauty, we are talking. And I'm thinking this one and me, we talk too much.
Yeah.
Coco Mama is quiet. Quiet, guys, you see? People like me. Quiet Coco Mama who is quiet. People we don't know each other in real life. This is Coco Mama quiet.
See, in real life, Coco Mama is a quiet person. She's not.
Why are you guys saying that I'm a quiet? Most people think I'm the worst person. You don't know.
That's what they think, they don't know.
They don't know that I'm the
You
worst.
need to judge people in real
I
life.
used to tell them that I'm the worst one.
Yeah.
You know.
Don't just.
So you see,
Remember Nairobi teacher's wife was reacting to my
Hey.
video
Yeah,
and she
we
was
all
like,
know.
you know how
Yeah.
are we correct? No, let's not forget
Let me see. Where were we?
This is
We ended up
Halifax.
talking.
where is that? Is we are in Perryville or that's all.
This is a Central Line train to Epping.
Are we okay? Okay.
Because we are going somewhere.
Before we pass to Limbo.
We are going to Oxford. Say. I say it's unfortunate.
giving them money, right?
Yeah.
Auntie Yomi Kitchen. She said, welcome to, yeah, we're in Oxford. Please be telling them because we were never see, come see. We are JJC. Oh.
Let's see how dirty it is according to African times.
According to African tea,
Let's see how dirty it is.
even in the dirty, we can find fun. Let's see how it is, how it looks like.
Just better like that.
Yeah.
You know, it's every time.
We don't have this train station like this in Germany at all.
Fire pot all of
I want to
you,
hammer.
all of you.
I want to hammer Yomi
I
Kitchen this
came,
night.
one bed, yes, you say one bed. That bed now we are three of us. Three of us.
I'm going to hammer Yomi.
Yeah.
Are you sweet?
You'll see. We just had from Tom, innit? 3 of us today.
The
And
bananas-
that bed. I'm
Are
not
you
going
guys
back
getting
home.
another Airbnb because we have scattered the bed of the other one?
Yes, yeah.
You getting a new Airbnb?
The bananas are too ripe.
The 2 right, yeah. Yeah, 3.
Maybe we'll go to this Jamaican market
Yeah.
and buy this big cucumber.
Yeah, we are going to Oxford Street
I
to
thought
buy
I had
one.
seen it. Oh,
I know.
it's insane.
It's so terrible, especially when men are talking about things like that.
It's so
It
shameful.
is not
Me, I
right.
tell cucumber, I don't even talk about this thing.
Yeah.
Why do you?
You are
talk
not bothered though.
If you
See, you
Me?
don't bother
Who
me.
cares? Now you
It
they care.
gets on my nerves.
Why?
Because I'm like,
No, me, I don't
is
care.
it a
because-
bad thing that a friend?
and the
Do you know when I
friend,
saw
know,
CEO
they
now?
together. I know.
Now you,
For 2 years I've
I
not seen
know.
that.
And looking up to you. You are friends. What is the problem being
I
friends?
cannot come to London and meet you.
You can't. I
I
will
will
share
come.
the bed.
Of course, you will
Share
send
me.
me.
Why would you pay expensive twice?
Imagine if I was not staying in the same Airbnb with CEO. It would still be like we are pretending.
I know. It's expensive. They said you showed only one bed. Why did you show only one bed? There are people are thinking really hard.
In fact, that bed is even big for two. We would have carried the
Is it
smallest
double
one.
bed, yeah?
We would have carried the smallest bed so that at least your body
And
can
today's
touch
gonna be
my
a problem
own.
because there's 3 of us on that bed.
I'm with CEO. My mom will call. We'll talk to my mom. My husband will call. We'll talk to him. My sister will
My
call. We'll talk
family, everybody.
to her sister will call. We will talk to her mom. They don't have issues with that. What have we done to these white
It's
people?
all this, I'm telling you. It's
Coco,
not
why, I
really
don't
right.
know, why do you worry about this?
Yeah, even
When-
if
when
people
Coco-
are like that, what is your problem?
When Coco
We don't
girl
talk
went
about
to
it
Jamaica and Dimongo, where they not stay in the same place, all of them with Christmas. Why do
Same
you worry
place.
yourself?
Why yeah,
Me, I
the
don't
same,
care about
the
this
same
thing.
room, yeah.
Yeah.
It's expensive
The
when
worst
you're
part of it
friends.
is very expensive.
Yeah.
Even this one
A
that
lot
we're
of
staying
women
in.
here, they pay for holiday.
Mm-hmm.
They
Yeah,
share
group
beds,
holiday.
You are talking about that one. They don't know about this. You can hear beggar. They
It's
call it.
expensive.
They stay like 20 people in one room. Me, I don't care. It's Coco Mama that is worrying herself.
I'm
Continue
worrying
there.
myself.
I don't care. What
They should
concerns
leave
me?
me alone.
So we are going to Jamaica.
It's me and Yomi. We are the mad people. Today, I think I'm going to enjoy Yomi back to back. Your breast is even touching me. What do you say? Yeah, they will soon stand there and I will sit. Don't worry, chill, chill.
This is Utopia in Brixton.
Let me hold my camera back to back. These thieves that are in that your side, like it's also one running. Are we coming through here? Okay. See how we come to disturb you. Look at how people are plenty. How people are plenty, your countrymen.
Yeah.
So plenty. Let me go. Yes.
So welcome to Brixton.
So this is the Brixton. Wow, now I can see the. I can see outside.
History about Brixton. We'll go in here first, then we'll go the other side.
So this is the Brixton.
Yeah.
From the shops, the African tackle says dirty. They are just.
Put their things together.
Oh my God. See yam. Let me show yam.
Yeah.
Jesus. Ewo. So guys, I have to mute this video because of the music at the background. Me, I don't want to come to London and work for free. But if you see this place, I say, oh my God, God, can't you give me this kind of place in Germany? Or around France. It's not that we don't have yamo, but you don't have as many as the way you are seeing it all over. in this Brixton. It was a very cool experience. How I wish I could just let the voice for you guys to hear. Everything, guys, you are going to get here. Fresh goat meat, fresh shaki, fresh pepper, see chicken, anything, see stomach, anything you want to cook pepper soup.
Look at Gary.
You are filming. What is this?
I'm already famous, so I don't want to.
You are famous in the fish fair.
This is milk tea. Very nice.
You say it's already famous.
This is where you find Caribbean.
Let's see whether they have these wigs.
The wigs,
Yeah.
these are the shops for the wigs.
Come, Coco Mama, let's see the wigs. Hello. They are there. Maybe I will see. Hello. Maybe I will see the one I like. Let me saga them. Wow, God. Why can't I get something like this in Germany? Oh my goodness.
But these shops everywhere.
Yeah. But this one is not original. It's not.
They do have.
It's not human hair.
They do have synthetic.
This
and,
one is synthetic.
and human hair.
You don't have
It's
human hair.
synthetic.
They do.
I don't want synthetic.
The top 2 lines.
Human hair.
Yeah.
160. No discount.
Yeah.
Why these our braids are so? Now it's 40 something. I can take this one. Oh. It's beautiful.
How much is it?
40,
reduce the price.
50 pounds. Eh?
It looks nice. Yeah.
The-
One is it the same length? I think. No, that one is shorter. That is.
I even want to do dread. Who did your dread for you?
Huh? Yeah, I've got one girl. From
I
Nigerian
love
girl.
it.
Yeah.
When it
My
grows,
brother in the camera, you look very handsome, eh?
very handsome man, right?
Very, yeah. Guys, we are in Brixton.
We are in Brixton. Wow, this one is beautiful. It will even fit me, but they're expensive.
How
Somehow.
much after discount?
I'm asking from the manager how much possible. I give you the discount.
Okay, then
Like
ask
this
him.
one?
It's beautiful.
Let me to ask, yeah?
It's very beautiful. This one will fit me well, Coco Mama.
I'm telling you.
This one is going to make me like Indian. How much is it? It's 200. Oh. I want one and my sister want one. Yeah. Let me check for him.
This one, I think. Now come with this one, isn't it? No?
Yeah. This one is not the. That one is just a tile, a part. It's not the whole thing. Is it the Amazon?
Yes, it's Amazon.
The combo is supposed to be there.
Now,
If
let me
you
check
search
once.
or you check, in fact. Yes. Can I have sugar cane? You mean leave away?
it?
£10 5 pence.
Okay. You see your Jamaican shop, come. We are now in Jamaica. Where?
Where are you guys? Huh?
Where is Sonia Adventure? Come.
Jamaican patches.
Wow, Jamaican pie.
Jamaican pie.
The
Can we have salt fish, chicken?
Me, I want chicken.
I want beef.
me, I want beef.
I want beef also.
We start with one first. One.
Yeah. Ask them, I'll pay for.
No,
Ask them,
Yomi Kitchen will pay for you.
Okay.
I want one.
Kitchen, you want
No,
to
we'll pay
spoil
for you.
us,
You pay. You know, you come extra
No,
for
it
us.
doesn't matter.
Yomi Kitchen, I will pay
No, you
too.
are in London. I'm not in
I
China.
want
Then come and visit me,
Yeah,
Jenny.
in Denver.
So one beef,
One beef also.
so 3 beef.
Yeah.
So you call Yomi Kitchen is spoiling also.
Have you seen it?
Yomi Kitchen says she will pay. She brought us to Jamaica. No, Yomi Kitchen. If it is with food, you will not pay all. Oh, look at Jamaican food. Oh. Let me turn my car.
Aki
and saltfish.
I don't
and
know.
saltfish.
No, me, I will not eat that one. Maybe.
Why you not eat? This is kalaloo.
This
Fried
is
fish.
Then we got meat there. The problem here, you cannot see it.
Yeah, you cannot sit.
You're supposed to give us a place.
Then Yomi kitchen, let us eat only the pie.
Yeah,
Where's jack chicken? I want jack chicken. No jack chicken.
I don't think they project chicken here.
Come and see my mouth. Jack chicken.
Hey!
Drama,
Oh yeah! Wagwan Jamaica. No caution. No caution.
Jamaica. So I said, let me take you to Jamaica.
We are lost in London. Oh.
So they
My Jamaican family, they know me as Drama.
Sunny adventure. We are in her country, in Brixton. In I want to say in
I'm
America.
here to see Odogu. Odogu and Jamaica. Where are you guys?
You know we are making.
Jamaica. Since I should come to Jamaica.
They want to see Jamaicans.
Yes.
we are escalating in Jamaican shop. Oh my goodness. This is Jamaican bow.
Yeah.
Let us go and Kawatagon. Wagwan. You know how the thing goes. Jamaica. You know how the thing goes. Jamaica. We are here at home. Yeah, man.
We are looking for Jamaican uncle here.
Where is Jamaica?
Where's our Jamaican?
No, I want to see Mr. Cecil. Where are you? Oga Cecil, appear here.
I'm looking for
Jason and Gina, shout out to you. Wow. Wow. Mega shout out to our Jamaican people. Wagwan. No, Wagwan, nobody disturb you like Jamo. In London, you can be crazy, man. One love, everyone. Wow, look at this beautiful T-shirt. I need to buy one. It looks
refuse to be silent.
It looks like the real Black Beauty.
I told you guys that I don't want to be silent. What is this?
Shout out. How Jamaican brother? Wagwan.
I'm not Jamaican.
You are where?
Caribbean.
My mom's from Uganda.
Oh, Uganda. That is my country.
And my dad's from Jamaica.
Oh, you are Jamaica. You are Jamaica. You are Jamaica.
A little bit Jamaican.
You carry your papa blood. Oh.
So why is it Brixton?
Why are you here in Brixton?
Popular? Tell them.
Why is it popular?
Yeah.
What happened in Brixton?
Well, I grew up in Brixton.
Okay.
My family grew up in Brixton. Brixton was a place
Are you
where
recording?
a
Yeah.
lot of black people came to settle
Okay.
after the Second World War. So there was a huge black community here.
Okay.
And,
I can see.
And I'm kind of using my work to kind of represent that.
That's very good. I love
I
it.
refuse to be silent.
I refuse to be. Do you have something like that T-shirt? I refuse to be, but black. But that one will not enter me. Why you carry? You know, we black people will carry body.
Colonization created racist America.
I like the black one. This is S. And we like X. You know, we're big women. I would have bought your T-shirt for you, honestly speaking. And I'm not living here to say make one for me. We're not living here.
Then stay. We can camp out here. We can live in the shop.
No, we are not. We are not here in London.
No, I don't. They've all sold out. The bigger sizes, unfortunately.
Oh, it's black T-shirt. I like this black T-shirt back to back.
This is a black shop, guys.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Everything about black people, you can see it.
And you are going, you know, you are going to appear in the channel Black Beauty.
Even our black beauty is here, black in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is we are
Our YouTube.
Okay.
So talk about
If anybody comes to Brixton, I see your T-shirts. They are so beautiful.
Well,
Honestly,
this is a celebration of demonstration, and these are pictures I've taken over the last 4 years, all in London. And my journey started after I saw on the news George Floyd being murdered.
yeah, I
was
know.
so upset, and I wanted to know what could I do about it. and the universe said that I need to record it.
Okay.
So I rushed out with my weapons and started to shoot all of the anger that I could see, and I put it all together in my first book, A Celebration of Demonstration. And this was how people in London came together to say enough's enough.
Yeah.
For killing the blacks.
Yeah, and
Black Lives Matters.
And I wanted to capture a record of what people in my community were going through. So I started taking pictures at demonstrations, and I didn't want our history to become his story. So I figured I should do it, and that's what I did. I started taking pictures and just showing the pain, the anger, the hurt that people, black people, were going through. And this is what it ended up looking like. And it's a powerful document.
I know.
Showing how people came together.
Nice. Very beautiful. I don't know why the t-shirt.
And your name of the shop where you are based.
My name is Wayne Campbell. The shop is called A Celebration of Demonstration, and it's in Market Row, Brixton Village. I am open Wednesday through Sunday from 12 till 6. And as well as books, we do tote bags, t-shirts, greeting cards, postcards, framed prints. And what I love about this space is people come in, they pick up a piece of paper, and they write a message and they add it to the walls.
Wow.
So this is the voice of the people, you know, and that's what's so important. Black is joy. Progress is non-linear. I am George Floyd.
You can
Live, love again. So please, if you'd like, I'd like you all to write a message and add it to the walls.
Okay. You too, you can write your own.
All right.
I like black. Black is beautiful.
Choose a weapon.
Mine will be no too messy.
Coco, I don't want to write.
Yeah, all right. Why?
And that's where the magic lives. The fact that people come in and they write their messages and their messages sit on the walls. This is the voice of the people.
Wow.
This is very interesting. I think I saw you one time at the Black Lives Matter.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And where are you all from?
Also, she's here in London.
I live in Southeast London, Greenwich.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Wayne.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
And I live in Germany.
Okay.
I am BBTV.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to
And
meet
you
you,
are?
I
brother.
am Coco Mama.
Coco
I
Mama.
live in Doha.
In Doha.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you see, you are in Germany, you are in Doha, and then
In London.
and a lot
Let's go
of.
to Caribbean today. Let's go to Jamaica. But unfortunately, Sunday I know how the weather is, but you know they've got that picture.
Yeah.
They say no, we have to see Jamaica. Jamaica say okay, let's go. It's Sunday, the weather is bad, but at least they bought that, especially this show. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, brother.
Take care.
Anytime we are here, I'll come and look for the big t-shirt.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Take care.
Yeah, bye-bye. Wow, the guy is so good.
Yeah,
Jesus. Very, very nice.
they'll tell you the night after.
Yeah.
You say no, this is how it is. The Jamaicans they understand about Africa.
Yeah. Wow. This is beautiful. Auntie Yomi Kitchen, thank you so much. God bless you.
What can we do?
Wallahi, God bless you, my dear. Where can we see? We shouldn't forget about this wooden spoon. Let us not forget the wooden spoon.
Take you to Nando's.
Okay. The wooden spoon, not forget, you know.
Yeah, wooden spoon, yeah.
Yeah, so that I will go and cook ugali. Baba Marwa, I have joined you.
Guys, if you have not subscribed to her channel,
Please, yeah, we have not even shouted. We are still here.
a shout out.
Shout out. Guys, I beg you in the name of God,
Yomi Kitchen is making it real for us in London. Please, lazy people, support lazy, lazy Yomi mama. Jamaica. Please support Yomi Kitchen. Subscribe to her channel. She give the real banger. If you want banger, if you want
Come
banger,
for me,
she'll come for you like
come for
real.
you,
Look at how beautiful we are.
We
Tell them
here
fire
in
burn
London, fire burn you, everyone.
Fine, thank you. Hello, brother.
Oh, these are the materials.
Yeah.
That long time materials.
That is the
They sell
pre-Hollandic
everything
wax.
6 years, yeah?
Yeah? Pro-Holland wax. Coco Mama, that is the real. How much do you sell them?
15 pounds.
Okay.
2 for 25.
Is it
25.
6 years,
2
yeah?
for 25. Yes, all 6 years.
Do you know that they 2 for 25?
Yeah, normally it's 20 pounds. Now it's offer 15, 2 for 25.
You no go buy them for your mama.
Was it Hollandian?
Pro-Holland wax. They don't diminish also. They are better than those rapper in Niger 10 times.
Yeah, these ones, they are good.
Yeah.
They are good.
100% cotton guarantee.
100%?
100% cotton guarantee.
Yeah,
Good.
100%.
Cotton.
And it's 20. Let's buy one for your mama, one for my mama. Or what do you think? They lost such beautiful color.
Okay. Start from here. Check it from here.
I think I would like this one for my mama. Or how do you think, Coco Mama, the yellow one?
It's nice.
Yomi Kitchen, do you like this?
Yeah, I like that one.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like the colors.
Paying cash or card?
With cash.
Cash. 65.
London, they have only new money.
But yeah, this 20 pounds is in a lot of fake. They They're making new ones, print new ones.
Yeah, 15 pounds. Change it.
Thank you. So, see now, that's how somebody just they spend money somehow. We are no plan choose, but at least it's good. They are better than the rappers in Africa. I used to buy a lot of Hollandis from France and take for my mom at home. I see the wooden spoon. Let me take my wooden spoon over. I'm like Baba Marwa now, but I'm not eating ugali every day. It's Coco Mama that brought that thing from Nigeria, and we cook soup, so we want to use it.
This one.
No, this one is too long. I don't want. It's too long. No. Chop. For what? This is a tea. Yeah, it's Brazilian also. African dress, Coco Mama. You want to jump?
That's the goodness. And I always say London is the seat of multicultural. This is how it is. Everyone is handling their own business. So you can challenge even a policeman. People they fight them.
This is also Africa. I don't know.
Fight them. You see that
They are eating that in Jerry. Yeah.
This is Senegal.
There's one restaurant this woman Kaven said we should go, but anyway, not here.
You will not believe it. I'm doing the conversion now.
Yeah. It is cheap here. Yeah.
Where are you? Where are
I
you?
know why my UK colleagues, they don't like to spend too much money in the little gifts.
So Coco Mama and Yomi Kitchen, my elder sisters, they have gone to satisfy themselves. I'm here waiting for them. Minding my small business in London, alone here. Let me hold my camera back to back. I love that area back to back, guys. Come and see everywhere, African people, black people. Hey. Somebody's removing Bola there and is fighting with his Bola there to pee. You don't finish. You don't finish. You don't finish fighting with the Bola. They waka like say nothing happened. Hey, London, I greet you. Hey, I greet you, London. Going to enter here.
We said that these shops are everywhere.
Let's just check. You know where we should go.
This one will make you spend another 40, 50 pounds. Let's go.
Let's see. Maybe we'll see find something.
Let's go and see.
You know how they think. Let's see. Let's just see. Jesus. If you are living here, you don't even feel like going back home to Africa.
To do what?
This is the beauty of black.
Jesus. Guys, I can't believe it. Horse.
Do what exactly? You have one head.
Which one are you on? This side.
Come and see this one, Coco Mama. It's very beautiful, like.
Yeah. Are you recording?
Let's look at the hair I bought here with Yomi. Hey, it's beautiful.
See what I want.
You want to buy it?
I don't have money.
Then you leave it. How much is it?
I want 50.
Every time.
London, you're in trouble. Remove the hair.
I told you don't come inside here. You see? I told you. Don't come inside here.
We didn't even go
You see?
in quarter of London.
You see me, I'm a simple woman. I just took what I want. I know what I like and I move. Order?
That's London.
Coco Mama, remove.
You live in Germany.
If you want to pay, you pay. If you want to buy it, you buy it.
150 I will buy. I don't
160. No.
She say only 150. Give her now.
You know this one is on reduced price. It's 200.
If she use her money all, she want to borrow money from me, and I'm not going to give.
And you know, even if my boss will cut from my pay.
And I'm not going to pay. I'm not going to give. You know, right, Coco Mama? Because I won't use my card.
But once my money is finished, I will be like.
Because it's my card that can work only here. You know?
Your card, yeah, you went here, yeah.
Yeah. If they say 150, I will take.
160.
Just give her now, please.
I'll pay 10 pounds for that.
Oh my God.
Take that one.
No, why will you collect money from Yumi Kitchen? You must not buy. No.
When I go to Qatar, I'll collect
I'm going to
that.
put the people on YouTube.
No, I'll collect.
No, Coco Mama, leave the hair.
Take it.
No, Coco
When
Mama,
I
leave
go
it.
to Qatar, I'll
No.
collect.
No.
Just, okay.
Take it.
You bring another one.
New one for you.
Oh yeah, this is the one.
This one is
You
a
want to cut the
sample.
You want
If I
to
go
cut the
Qatar, then
Yeah, you only go Qatar.
let me see. If you go Qatar, then
I'll collect.
20 pounds.
I'll should spoil me everywhere.
Of
You know, Qatar is rich.
Coco Mama. How much do you still have? Oh, you have some in there at home, right?
nothing.
Don't feel like you're going.
You want
I
to
took
spend all the pounds. Queen pound.
Do you know how these people are stealing with changing money? I still have my German money here. I want to
it
change
will be
money. I
less.
give them
No,
plenty money.
Next time, don't.
I give them plenty money. I said, give me change. You see the small money they want
Yeah,
to give me. I
because
said,
pound is there. Don't. I stopped. When I'm going to Europe, I just use my card.
It's better.
Yeah, when you bring here euro or US dollar, you go down.
I'm telling
but
you.
when I go to your country with pound,
Yeah.
You know what I like in this? This tiny coil.
yeah.
White curls. Use your fingers. Don't use brush, yeah? When you use your fingers, the curls will remain like that.
Have you here? You don't use your fingers. Or don't use brush. Only the
Yeah,
fingers. You bought how many hairs today, Coco Mama?
I bought only 2. You know how many you bought?
But how much this one will buy? How many for this one in my hair?
So you're saying, you know what? CEO doesn't want me to buy this. I'm not buying.
Why?
Okay.
No, you
Buy
have buy it. You have told her 150 and she has agreed.
Yeah, I'll work, yeah.
But don't cry for me, Argentina.
Argentina, the long nose. Don't cry for me, Argentina.
Don't cry for me, Argentina.
I must cry.
No. I'm not going to hear that cry. Oh.
Hey, look at that one.
What is going on?
I know you. Everyone is looking at the ground. Yeah. I think they are drunk.
Yeah, the ones, yeah.
Yeah. The drug dealers.
Yeah. Yeah, because of the rain, we were meant to see them everywhere. They will talk. They love their Brixton a lot.
See here.
All these places are there.
And police no fit do them anything, no. Huh?
Here, Brixton, they call Brixton. This last night, whatever tonight, they'll be.
But you know what I want to tell you?
Yeah.
This country is cheap.
Yeah.
Do you know this hair in Germany? This hair in Germany, I will never get it for that money.
Do you know how much I will pay for this hair in Doha?
Yeah.
No, but calculate it, that 150 pound. How much is that one in your Qatar reals?
100 pounds. Like
That is more than 200 euros. So.
Let me see the pound. 100 pounds. The pound money is like 400 riyals. Okay? So 150 will be 800 riyals. I will not get this hair more than 2,000.
Yeah, but here they have them. Even here in Germany, Yomi, I will pay this hair maybe more than 100 euros, which is more expensive than that. Yeah, here because you get all these things here. They are all over. You can't get them here. You can't get so in Germany. You know?
You know, even in Nigeria, this hair is more expensive.
Because people now, they started buying here, cents.
I can even sell this hair.
You can. I can sell it. People, they buy stuff here.
And sell
There's
it.
one shop.
Yeah, it's in Germany. It's London shop.
In Nigeria, make good money. I know that's
How I wish we can see our boss here. I would have followed the boss. So. It's bus 200 or something.
our boss.
Yeah, to that place. I saw it yesterday. Yeah.
Too far. We need to go to the train. Especially this area that you brought up. Are we still going to Nigerian place?
No, it's late. I'm late.
Because we need to see.
Because of the rain, we need their here in London, you go out. And from here, what we are going to do, we are going to get this train to another city now.
We're not.
Price, because these places are not suiting.
Where are we going to get what? Where are we going now?
We are going to Nana.
Okay.
No, not Northwest.
Are we crossing?
There's one useless there and there's one in Qatar.
Yeah.
The color is like this. Spoily also. Do you know how much I paid? Maybe 60 was.
Let's go. And now say they see us for London.
Judy Boyer. Where is Judy Boyer?
Where are you?
Hey,
Judy Boyer, where are you?
Where are you?
come. Look at the baddest reactors in the world.
This is not.
It's Coco Mama. Come on, feed your eyes. Huh? She's coming. She's just joking. Come. Come. Hello. Come. Let's just check. Guys, look at the 30. The 30 of Agama. It's 130 for Agama Lizati.
Liars
Designer.
Liars everywhere.
And I was meant to take you to
where?
Dunston Market.
That's Agama
What is
Lizati bag.
there? You find the same ones. They are there.
Cheap.
Yeah, very cheap.
Where? Yeah.
They show where they sell.
See.
Americas. This shop. How it started, they are donating. So they donate used back. Now they started new. Because they will buy and just keep them. So they don't so
Ah.
but you can find a designer thing cheap.
And they are very cheap.
Yeah.
They are real cheap.
Yeah.
You see, this one is also expensive bag. I used to see
you
them, but
find
they are
it
cheap.
here, you find cheap.
Yeah. If these ones, I'm looking for small bag, handbag. Yeah. If you know how I have bags for house, I don't even know what to do with the bags.
That's much. If they come, they say, expensive. This shop you get expensive but cheap.
How much is this much, you know?
$59.99.
Wow.
But the real price, $165.
So they reduce. This is
Yes, you get any designer here cheaper.
I'm going to
Because they
check.
donate.
okay.
Yeah, they donate. Those
I'm going to search.
celebrities. They buy. They have this thing.
I'm going to search for a very beautiful bag. Can you imagine this is, no, not this one, but I know this bag. I don't want a serious bag like this. Imagine it's just 60 something. That's the shop Chippy was telling us to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's,
I'm paying with the card.
With the bag?
Huh?
Bag?
No. Please.
This one as well.
Yeah. And the things inside. What's this video today?
I think we must skip today. You are right.
Yeah, because for it to start rolling, you are going to be tired.
I hate when I pack. I didn't even plan. I didn't know that we are going to pack a lot of things like this. But I'm telling you, if I don't disappear here, I'm going to finish everything in my account when I come back to Germany. Dress for the cold, eh? you really dress for the cold. Oh my God! Look at how beautiful this place is. The gangster of Marwa. Hey, gangster of Oga Marwa. The real gangsters of Marwa. Oh my God, they make hair here. I wish I'm going to stay long in London. I would have done that above your hair.
Yeah.
And just leave it to be growing, you know. Yes. I wish we can get this bus straight. Someone said there's bus, I don't know.
Or from here.
Yeah. They cannot do them. They can't do them anything.
Because that's their life. It's their life.
Sorry.
Yeah, we are going this side. Okay. That's Asake came here to do a show in London. I think it was there because a lot of people died and the show was cancelled.
What happened?
That was the place.
What happened?
The thing was small and it was, I think it fell on people.
Jesus.
Like people say, oh, it's about juju or so that. But now, Asake uses the old true arena. Yeah. So this is not old true arena now.
Oh. So which restaurant is this one from?
Nando's.
Nando's. You know, I used to go up. We can also sit here also. Even with three, we can sit here.
Okay.
If you want to spoil us in London, come on, where are you, my sweetie?
My lele. Hey, you choked them. How come you left me and you are running after?
I'm running after Yomi Kitchen.
Yeah. You are finished with me.
Because Yomi Kitchen is sweeter.
I am very emotic and sour, right?
Yeah, Yomi Kitchen is more European.
You guys have not seen anything. All these boys, they will die for our matter. We will keep irritating them like this.
I'm telling you.
Where are we moving to? We're supposed to be going to Jamaica.
We need to go to Jamaica online.
We went to Jamaica. We went to one Jamaican restaurant. Come and see us here.
They will see
They will see the kingdom. You will see the kingdom. We were looking for our people there. Yeah. Jamaica uncle, Jamaica,
so
Jesse and Gina. We were looking Odogu. We were looking for
Odogu and Jamaican baby.
Jamaica online. All our people.
All our Jamaicans who went to
even Lelani. You know, we have a lot of Jamaicans, even though they are not in Jamaica. They live in Yankee, but they are Jamaicans. You know? Okay. We were looking for all of you guys.
So if you want to spoil us like Yomi Kitchen.
Yes. We are in South Africa. We left Jamaica. Now we are in South Africa.
Guys, you need to meet Yomi Kitchen. I'm telling you, she's the sweetest woman. She's going to treat you people like chewing gum.
CEO will tell you how sweet she is.
I'm going to be the one to tell you guys how sweet Yomi Kitchen is. Yomi Kitchen is succulent.
Juicy.
Yomi Kitchen is succulent.
Meaty, yummy, lekker, juicy.
She's lekker.
Slimy.
She's lekker. Yomi Kitchen. I don't want to come and bankrupt you in the UK. Look at what.
No, there's no bank.
Jesus, look at chicken, guys.
Nando's.
Nando's.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, you are the best.
Yummy kitchen. Oh my God.
Guys, look at on trending at the back on in London. I don't know what on trending is. On trending is eating where we are. On trending, what are you doing in London on trending? Eh? I was confused and shocked to see on trending here. Anyway, welcome on trending to London. From my sugar,
Yeah.
we cannot even finish it. Right? Yummy Kitchen. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, darling. Thank you. What can I do? I've taken over from Coco Mama.
And I'm not jealous.
No, she's not jealous.
She's not jealous.
No, she's not.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Coco
do you
Mama now keep away from us.
but do you love me?
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Back to back.
Back to back.
Water.
In fact, I'm going to miss you if I leave London. I don't know what
I
to
for
do.
you.
Let's go.
See you.
like Coco Mama, you know.
Now Coco Mama be the foodie.
It's not raining anymore.
Are you people sure we cannot be doing videos here? No, Coco Mama already.
Because when people do that to me now,
Yeah.
I feel what
Yeah.
another person, if I've done something like
Yeah,
that.
just give the names just comes out. I don't even.
Jezebel,
Just-
Concubine. I used to laugh and
Yeah,
they used to
so
sit in my belly.
Yeah, but Judas Iscariot was Nairobi too.
Who cares?
But you know what? In this world, this is a small world.
I know.
Never know.
You know, maybe in the other station we'll see bus. When we go with the station you are going to drop.
The one so patient with us,
You want
taking us
to pass
everywhere.
You will not believe her.
I would never believe, taking us everywhere.
That's why sometimes it's good to know people, you understand?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You don't not need to just judge people.
Took out her time, money. Hey.
It's fine.
Do you know one thing I thank God in my life?
Yeah.
When I see wicked people, I'm telling you the truth, I used to know.
Yeah.
Coco Mama, are you sleeping?
I'm so tired.
The next station is Brixton on the
I
right-hand
need to
side.
share this
For
thing with other people.
Central Line.
I say one Muzungu way back that is for Christina girl. Yummy Kitchen is telling me, look at this
National
one.
Rail
I say,
services from
if I'm with you one day, they're going to beat us back to back.
My eyes doesn't have curtains. I just saw that. Let me share.
You are not
Share with friends.
You are not minding your own business. They are going to beat us back to back. Coco Mama is minding her own business.
It's calling me, come and see me. Come and see me.
You see how this man is looking at you. You know, see how he's looking at you. Mama, wake up. I saw Mama with fufu in there.
You are very wicked. Why are you doing this to me? Eh? Why are you washing my dirty linen? I said,
Coco Mama, what are you doing with that fufu? She said, this is my problem with you.
I know that. See, this is why I have issues with you. Allow me to
She said, if you don't have this problem of I must eat bread and coffee, she said, you should have eaten your food before you make kitchen come. And then you have already eaten lunch. I said, I don't do that, I must eat my food.
She said, no, I will not use iron spoon to make it will break. I must use wood. I was very bad at it.
She said, that's my problem with you. If you are not the way you are, you should have eaten food now. And then you will not be hungry later. I said,
Eat ugali.
I said,
I told her to make fufu. She
In
refused.
Kenya, yes.
She's looking for
They
this
wouldn't
thing that,
stick.
yeah, this one that Baba Marwa used to
Yeah,
do.
they wouldn't stick.
apart from that early
And you
morning,
know what I told her? I said, see, I'm sure you will end up not making this fufu.
Until
we miss
Nice profile. This is a Victoria Line train to Walthamstow Central. Please stand clear of the closing doors.
You people are going to kill us in this train, no? Christina.
Wallahi, CEO has finished.
You don't know why we're laughing.
The next station is
I was minding my own business. It's coming from Germany, it's here.
Aha.
St. Pancras, yeah.
You know, maybe next time I'm going to try and use the train.
St. Pancras. Yeah.
Oh, come on, did you carry everything?
Yeah, Eurostar.
I gave you your phone, right?
People, they are minding their own business. You are bringing a Christina girl.
Which kind of church is this
them.
one? Now Lumba on this zero. Now Lumba church. I don't know the last time I laughed like this almost. I say if I'm with Yumi Kitchen, somebody's going to beat me before I go.
Someone who is not going to listen, I will say, look at that one, look at that one. People, they want.
Somebody will beat me before I leave. Coco Mama, you did not even film today.
I used my what do you call it? GoPro.
I don't want your subscribers to say that I took over you.
No.
Okay. Just chilling here while Coco Mama and Yomi, they went also to keep themselves busy, looking for what to do. Hi. Everybody's laughing in London. London, baby. YouTube is just cruise. If you take it serious, you are on your own. Who knows that never ever, or how do I even say that, whoever meet Yomi Kitchen live like this and just look at things like, you know, like nothing ever happened. This world is a small place, so no matter how, no matter what you see, even tomorrow, don't be surprised if you see me with Kenge, or don't be surprised if you see me with Agama Lizati. I am nobody's business. Reaction is just we move ahead. Nothing that it has nothing to do with hatred. I always tell you guys this thing. Not because I react on somebody, it means you hate that person. No, life is, you know, just move. Even if you have misunderstanding, you understand. Tomorrow, nobody knows where you are going to meet somebody or where another person is going to be of help for you. So this world, you know, as they always say, is a very small place. So don't take this that we do reaction, we correct people, we iron people. You begin to think like we are wicked, we hate these people. No, we hate nobody. Tomorrow, if Kenge want to collaborate with me, Kenge, you are welcome. Me, I don't have problem with anybody. If you want to meet the Black Beauty TV, Kenge, here I am. But I will not still talk. I will not still stop talking about you. Like, you know, to tell you the way it is. No changes of word. I'm still waiting for Coco Mama here and Yomi Kitchen. You know me, I don't know. I have a very good bladder. My bladder is holding like never before. I just pray that I can edit this video. It's gonna be a very long vlog, but I hope you people will enjoy it back to back. Yeah. Come and enjoy yourself in London.
Yeah, everything expensive.
Everything, innit? Life is very expensive now in London.
Including like hotel, like
Can you hear that?
everything.
Yeah.
Even travel.
Even travel is expensive. Then
everywhere
people are
life has
telling you
changed.
cannot share a place.
Yeah.
Everything
Everything
is
has
expensive.
changed.
Don't choose if you like traveling. Don't choose black cabs
No.
because it's so
Yeah,
expensive.
those black.
Where is my coffee also? Everywhere has become, do you know in Germany before, if you go to Lidl with small money like this, you will see the countries you are going to buy. Now, I cannot, what do I want to enter with a Lidl? No.
No, the one is what are you saying?
No, I was saying that before in Germany you have 20 euro, you can see what you are going to buy. But
Even
now
here.
you cannot use 20 euro for
Even
anything.
here, 10 pounds. You go to Tesco or supermarket, they show it full.
Yeah,
Now
but
it's
yeah,
so expensive.
and before 20 euro I used to buy things for Lidl, so that's everything full. Now you can forget about it.
Even the pounds are going down.
See my battery?
Yeah. But there's a lot of also nowadays we say black passport. It was red, now it's black.
It's black now.
They changed it.
Why did they change it to black passport?
Because we came out of Europe. That one was written United Kingdom, European countries. It was very good passport.
The red one. I still have the red one.
Oh, this is not OT.
This is oatmeal.
OT.
Yeah.
In decaf.
Yeah.
It is strong.
This is latte, girl.
Latte macchiato.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
I put my mama.
Oh, Coco Mama. Coco Mama, my baby, you are tired. You are tired. And you don't want to take coffee to get energy.
I just want to sleep.
No, it's good. This one. For sugar, you need energy. That's why people they eat dessert after.
Thank you, thank you.
Eat. Me, I don't want to eat. My tummy is so full, Yomi.
This one is
You have spoiled us with
like
food.
Sugar.
Yomi have spoiled us today.
Yeah, my God.
I didn't spoil it with anything.
No. You don't know what you have done to us, Yomi
with love.
You don't know what you have done to us today.
Is it?
No, it's more than.
Unforgettable.
I will never forget it in my
I
entire
will never
life.
forget you in my life.
I'm telling you.
You know what?
And
You
anytime I come
surprised
to
us.
London, I will just take train one day. I just come because of you.
Come.
I'm telling you.
I did by myself.
Yeah.
Come.
I will just come
We'll
and
share that small.
we'll share that small bed.
Have you seen that what these YouTube people are saying is going to be happening? Yes! Now I'm going to go to the
No,
party and tell
you-
them that see what CEO and Yomi and
Let me. I'm up. Yeah, do you have problem about it? You're in
No,
Europe.
I don't have problem. Next time you're not gonna sleep anywhere. You take your 1 hour flight or train. Come to my house. We'll share.
I'm
our
going
bed.
to share bed with you.
We'll show them.
Pepe, while we even in our night dress, we show them Pepe. Lambruski, Lambroska, London, we love you. We are going to come back. Here is very free, lively, you know.
She lives in Germany.
Germany is different.
Here we've been screaming as I say London people they mind their own business. We mind our own business. Finish, I get cheaper things. You know the market has got everything. I took them to Brixton. It's different. Where she lives, she's never seen all these things she's seeing here. She lives in Qatar. Yeah, she lives in Qatar. Yeah.
Most expensive.
Yeah, it's more expensive than London.
Where are you from?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, yeah.
If it is in Qatar, this coffee.
2 drinks in my back home, we can like get everything for weeks. Like
What?
the groceries, everything. If you calculate the expenses
Yeah.
in our country, you can get 1 week's like the groceries.
Wow.
Yeah.
But in Qatar, this one alone can cost.
My goodness, that's why it looks like I'm buying.
I went there, you know, this Nutella, small Nutella is €2 something in Germany. I bought it in Doha, 30 something reals, almost 40 reals. It's more than €10.
Qatar is very expensive.
The Arabs are there almost similar to Western world.
Yeah.
Like expensive.
More too expensive because everything come. They don't have anything on their own.
By Qatar, they're higher.
Yeah,
Very high compared to Saudi Arabia.
That's why she's telling us here everything is cheap. She said everything is cheap here. She's buying without thinking.
Exactly.
We here in Europe, we are thinking. She said everything is cheap. Oh, 150 is so
because,
cheap.
If you are like that, yeah, it's good. Next time you come, you buy things
But
to
you don't know
sell.
what I've learned here in London.
Yeah.
When I go back to Doha, I will not be buying too much anymore.
No, don't buy too
I
much.
must do my shopping in Europe.
Yeah, in Europe, yeah, it's good. This is the beginning.
Have a nice time, girl. Bye.
Because, I mean, That's what UK people do. They don't buy anything in Middle East.
Abuse anybody and go. I told Coco Mama, I say, me, I not fit stay in that place, so because I will abuse Taya, they will deport me back home. Not because I don't like injustice, you know. I cannot see that somebody abused me, then I cannot say anything because it's not my country. Yeah. Me and you, we cannot stay there because we are troublemakers. Who is gonna buy flour for me, guys? Can you imagine Yomi Kitchen? This flour is £60. It's not this. Is it because it's train station or what?
Because of the area. Okay. Because of
See,
the area.
this flour is £60.
Tell them, why is the price high?
So expensive.
Because it is.
Because real flowers and
Good quality.
But also because of the
Forget
area.
that in
India.
Yeah, she's from Qatar. So they're asking. So this is central London, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you take video now?
Yeah.
It's fine, yeah?
It's very beautiful, but so expensive. 50.
Carrying the camera.
Thank you so much, darling.
Guys, I'm so happy. I'm really
That
deep
name,
down my
do you know
heart.
that name you gave to yourself? You are really young.
You are really yummy.
You are really young. Like
This is real me.
Hey.
If you want to know me, this is real me. I don't pretend. Even if you come to my house, it's gonna be worse because there I will cook.
Next time we'll come to the
Come
house.
to my house,
Yeah.
guys. Here, the life we live here in London, because here when you're one person, they give you one bedroom. They used to give you more.
What
but
did
they
I
changed.
What did I tell you before? I'm in Europe. I don't care about
We
that
don't
thing.
care about sleeping 4-5 people.
Yeah, now.
It's like that in the Middle East.
Yeah. Even here it's the same.
House rent is very
Even
expensive.
here.
No, those people that are talking that rubbish,
They
they
don't
are
know
in
that. Oh, if you see
Africa.
people like that,
You
you know
know,
that they
one
don't know
person asked me one day that, oh, Black Beauty TV, are you living in apartment? I said, Thunder Fire, you come here and carry house and stay.
Yeah. Here they don't care about that mansion whatsoever. If someone has got that, they'll make money, a lot of money. Because people will be renting every room and make
That
money.
is it.
It's
Me,
waste
I
of
know
time.
Europe very well, and if I tell somebody, oh, I'm coming to London, don't start thinking I'm coming to your house. Because, but you I must come
My
to your
house
house
is
next
there.
time.
I'm
I
on
must
my
come.
own.
Yeah.
My house is there.
Exactly.
It's also one of the tourist area.
Wow.
Yeah.
I
We'll
will-
go to
will
the
come.
banks whatsoever there.
Yeah.
Then we'll be taking underground. Where I stay, there's transport underground.
Yeah.
Taking us everywhere.
It's
in
a pity
London.
that we are not staying
Yeah.
long.
Yeah.
We would have
Because we are not
really
staying. Yeah.
go around.
Exactly.
But next time, once there is life, there is hope, you know. Yeah. So God bless you, Yomi Kitchen. Thank you so much. Okay. So guys, I don't know if I'm going to stop my vlog from here. Let me rest. My camera is
We are
also
inside King's Cross.
We are inside
Station.
King Cross Station.
Yeah. We are going to get our Metropolitan line
back home.
back home.
Get down. So you have a wonderful time, guys.
Hey, I'm taking